Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've got power and signal. Now act. Plug guitar into the compressor input, compressor output to the amp, and engage power. Set output so the bypass and engaged volumes feel equal, then drop ratio to about 2:1. Set attack and release to middle positions so you can hear changes without extreme squashing. Play a consistent note and watch the meter. You'll see gain reduction kick in. Once done, you have a neutral compressed bass line to tweak. Now you sculpt dynamics and tone. You adjust attack to control pick-click, faster attack smooths transients, slower attack preserves punch, so try both while playing riffs. Then set release to sit with the song's rhythm, short release for tight staccato, longer for ambient sustain. Use the blend or mix control if available to maintain your dry tone, and add makeup gain to compensate for level loss. Make changes while switching between chords and single notes, so the compressor reacts musically. Finish by comparing bypass and engaged sound. You want consistent feel with better sustain or evenness. Make tiny adjustments, 10 to 20% moves, to attack, release, and ratio while playing different parts so settings work across the song. If a preset sounds overcompressed or breathes, reduce ratio, lengthen attack, or shorten release to stop pumping. Make sure cables, input impedance, and pedal order are correct if noise or tone loss persists. This single troubleshooting step often fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.